These are all our Arecanut plants. These are 2 year old, and you can see these leaves are dry. These plants are affected by this disease, and all leaves are dry, and we lost this, and we have some. After applying the medicine, these are all recovered and coming good leaves. See this Arecanut also good, and we are planting the tomatoes also. Tomatoes are 2 months old, sorry, 20 days old, and they are growing. So many unwanted plants also coming, and tomatoes are helping to grow this Arecanut also. We will give fertilizer and drip system, water, and it was both are tomato and Arecanut both are recover very well and grow very fast and strong. And as you can see, you can follow me for more farming videos. And this is just 4 to 5 month old Arecanut, and this one is 1 week back we plant this Arecanut plant, and you can see this is almost 1 year old, and this is 3 month old, and this was amazing. It almost 50-year old, and we will get every year Arecanut we got. And if you are also like farming and you are also growing Arecanut, you can please comment Arecanut and subscribe the video for more farming videos. I thank you so much for watching.